Okay, here we've got the driver's seat from the 2003 79,000 mile E39 M5 in caramel, and this is after deep cleaning and some prep work. You can see the leather is really worn on the side bolster here, and there's a lot of stuff going on in here. I have done a little bit of light sanding so far, but this is not too far off from what it was right after I got done cleaning. See that? See all this in here. So when I'm done, I'll come back and give you an after video to show you what it looks like after I'm done. Okay, same seat after refinishing. Just like the one you saw before. Might be some dust on it.